Hey there, so you're thinking about starting a YouTube channel, huh? Or maybe you already have one, but you're looking at the analytics like they're written in ancient hieroglyphics. Either way, welcome. This is Get Rich with Gretchen, the channel where we figure out how to grow together while having a few laughs along the way. Spoiler alert, this isn't a get rich quick scheme, but we will talk about building something that lasts. Also, YouTube is pushing out small creators right now. Seriously, I'm not making this up. They're out here showing real love to people who just sit in front of a camera and talk. No fancy edits, no Hollywood lights, just you being yourself. And that's great news for you, because guess what? You're already 100% qualified to be yourself. And that's what people want. Let's talk about mindset, shall we? YouTube is not a get-rich-quick thing. If you're thinking, I'll post 3 videos, go viral, and have a new yacht by next Thursday, that's not how YouTube works. YouTube is about building a community, a real community. People who connect with your vibe, your story, and the value that you bring to their lives. That's what gets people coming back for more. Right now, the big trend on YouTube is authenticity. People are tired of overproduced content. They want to see real people like you and me, just talking to the camera and being helpful. So how do you get started? Step 1, be real. Step 2, figure out how you can help someone solve a problem, answer a question, or just make them laugh. Step 3, hit record. That's it. No excuses. And don't worry about being perfect. Your first videos are going to suck. Guess what? Every video after that will suck a little bit less. That's just the law of the universe. That's growth, baby. In future videos, we'll talk about what kind of gadgets you need, what kind of apps I use to help me get along the way. We'll talk about the money I spent on things that didn't help out at all, so that you can not make the same mistakes as me. I spent a lot of money on things that got me nowhere. The things I thought I really needed but didn't. So what are you waiting for? The YouTube universe needs you. Hit that subscribe button. Join me on this crazy journey together. And remember, it isn't about getting rich quick. It's about getting rich while we grow old. Sound good? Let's do this.